Confused about what a cease and desist notice really means? Let's clear it up in just a minute. 14 days after the 5th of August 2024 legal notice is a demand to apology within 14 days. Here's an example. Mr. Raja Usman Lambardar recently received one from Malik Asif Awan, an advocate of the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The notice accuses Mr. Lambardar of promoting a false declaration that harmed the reputation of the All Pakistan Lambardar Association. Key points. First, it damaged the client's reputation. Second, it was considered blasphemous. Third, it involved misuse of position for personal gain. The demands? Stop the false declarations immediately and issue a formal apology within 14 days. Failure to comply could lead to lawsuits, criminal charges, and removal from his position. Remember, these notices are serious. Always consult with a legal professional if you find confused about what a cease and desist notice really. Stay informed, stay compliant. Let's clear it up.